Yes, good morning, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are fit and fine. I Vivek, your bio teacher. Today, once again, we are ready for study and this time for your bio class. Yesterday, we has clear our topics, solution and movements of particles, the chapter cell. Okay, now we goes forward. Now some new topics, that is we begin structure organization of the cell. Basically, cells are structured by the following components. First of all, plasma membrane, cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm, cell organelles. We all know that cells are structured basically from these parts. First of all, we start from plasma membrane, that is outer covering of any cell. It is very important part of cell. It has various characteristics. Now starts with the characteristics of plasma membrane. First of all, it is the outer covering. From outer covering, it separates the contents of in cell into the surroundings. Next is it has selectively permeable membrane. It allows or denies the components from exist of the some materials in and out of the cell. Another, it is present in both animal as well as in plant cell. It is made up of protein and lipids. It has very good characteristics, that is it is flexible. From its flexibility in some organisms, unicellular organisms like amoeba, it has enables to the cell to engulf the food and other material from external environment, and this process is known as एंडोसाइटोसिस. स्टूडेंट, अमीबा के अंदर इस सेल की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी की एबिलिटी की वजह से वो अपने सीडोफोडिया से पूरे के पूरे फूड को एनगल्फ कर पाता है एंड डाइजेस्ट कर पाता है. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ some main functions of plasma membrane. Plasma membrane, it gives the shape to the shell. It separates the contents from the surroundings to the other surroundings. Now, from onwards, this is the notes of endocytosis and diagram of amoeba. You can draw it. Now, before we going on another important term, that is cell wall, we see with the help of diagram of cell, we understand the location of plasma membrane and cell wall and other components. Okay student, first of all, this is a cell. In cell, from cell, this is plasma membrane, outer covering of plasma membrane or cell membrane. From outer covering, another outer covering in plants, that is known as cell wall, and inside it there is the fluid that is known as cytoplasm. In between, nucleus is present. In nucleus also is some fluid that is known as nucleoplasm and also contains chromatic materials, and there are mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus. These vacuoles, these are known as cell organelles. Okay student, these are some basically structure of cell. बात कर लेते हैं सेल वॉल की. देयर आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ सेल वॉल इन प्लांट्स. दिस इज आउटर कवरिंग. इसकी खासियत ये है कि ये प्लांट्स को किसी भी सीजन में, किसी भी सिचुएशन में सेफ रखने में मदद करता है. नेक्स्ट, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ सेलुलोज. ये सेलुलोज से बना हुआ है. दिस इज मेड अप ऑफ cellulose, and cellulose is a complex substances provide structure through the plants. Cell wall also permeates the cell of plants and fungi and bacteria with strand with very dilute, and dilute solution we already studied yesterday. Dilute, that is hypotonic external media without any bursting. Okay student, now from that cell wall, one important terms also comes, that is plasmolysis. Plasmolysis क्या है? When living plant cell loses water through osmosis, there are shrinkings and construction of contents of cell away from cell wall. Means कोई भी जो लिविंग प्लांट सेल है वो अपने सेल के अंदर के फ्लूइड को, वाटर को लूज करेगा. जब लूज करेगा तो वो श्रिंकिंग होगा एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा. अब ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा तो ये सेल वॉल और बाकी कंटेंट से अवे हो जाएगा. दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज प्लाज्मोलाइसिस. दीज आर द टू टर्म्स वी हैव स्टडी टुडे: प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, सेल मेम्ब्रेन एंड cell wall. Now tomorrow we start another with cell organelles and their functions and their location. Okay student, prepare these notes carefully. Have a good day.